happened for here. You know, we thank God. We say congrats to Daddy. You know, we came all the way from East and we're here to represent the culture. You know, so
to everyone in the building, all awesome. The mamas in the building.
Well, as you've seen it, we are representing. This is 042 with White Lion TV. Everything is going on well, and this is the man. Thank you and God bless.
I bring you a sound from the East. Cha 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 cha, Africa Kwenu. Osondi, Owendi, Owendi. If a man and the madu get full of special dedication, Chief Fire. Anything I do, they must talk. His Royal Highness on your mouth, take a bomb. No. For Igbo land, they call him Igwe. Englishman who call him Royal Highness. I take a one, mama, no. On your gadilling man, no one. Mr. Flavour, call him Daddy. So, Brico, no call him Daddy. If a man and the man who get fully is a special dedication to his royal majesty. On your mouth, take a tongue. In one Africa land. On your way, Osukosu one piece away. Man on your Sonia Sobanu, Macanenu one of Bonolele. I body boring gole. Uma one in Atifa. One ne or Kennedy. Orogotom, 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 Osondi, Owendi, Osondi, Osogo, Wegiwe, one Osogo, Wegiwe, no, Osondi, Owendi, Okay now. Yoki. Okay. For Igbo land, they call him Igwe. Englishman call him Royal Highness. No. Aye. Mr. Flavour call him Daddy. So Bricon call him Daddy no. Onyo gadele mane no wa. Onye chukwu gozila gozi no. Oya nene wisi no. Onye mati menechi no motemenu nenu. Omeleme. Maduke kuliliyo. They talk out for Instagram. They talk out for Facebook. They talk out for Twitter. I said they put them for Snapchat. Royal Leze nyango libenu Ora beri jemwole balele Nyanchuku gozili nyamwe bangoli Ora beri jemwole balele Wega ni bataluka nyine linu Ekene kele numunu iso Ines Onyo moga dili manono For Igbo land, they call him Igwe. Igwe. Englishman call him Royal Highness. Mr. Flavour call him Daddy. Shall be well with you, son. And the woman who they hail you, even picking to know your name. Mwachiku meleze, madapu ikochano. Who got them blessing? Can say no. Osondi, Owendi no. Osondi, Owendi yo. Osogo wedi wene no wano. Osondi, Owendi no. Oyoko. Oh, yeah. Hey! I see more time. Hey! Right on now.